What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Those are the new here. My name's Taylor, and we are cashing every single day with 907 Fantasy Sports. So we went up another 4.5 units yesterday with the college football game between, I guess there was two of them, Washington and Rutgers, and then Miami and Virginia Tech. So both of those were pretty good games. Cam Ward came through for us. Hit a lot of projections for us. Restrepo ended up missing his line. Same with Horton. So that was a bummer. But Cam Ward came through and hit a lot of the lines. So I am pumped for today, though. The goal for today is to go up another 40 units. That is the goal today. You guys can take advantage of all that over on the Winible. You can sign up for the weekend pass. That's going to get you all of today's plays, all of tomorrow's plays as well. It's usually $100. If you use the code NEIGHBORS, that's going to get you 70% off. So you'll have that for just $30. So take advantage of that. We cash a few of these plays, and you're going to win your money back along with a hell of a lot more. So make sure to go over there and get signed up. But let's hop into, we won a few plays yesterday. I didn't get screenshots of them all. But we won this Cam Ward and Jackson Churio over on Chalkboard. Same with this Cam Ward and Javier Assad over on Chalkboard as well. And then we won quite a few on Better too. I forgot to get the screenshots of that. But what we are doing today is we're going over, I think I have I think I have 3 or 4 free plays for you. I know of at least 3. So one's going to be on Sleeper. They've discounted Carson Beck's passing yards line to 1 yard. So this is going to be a huge game. I'm pumped for this game. Georgia versus Alabama. So it's going to be a great game in Alabama, in Tuscaloosa. It's going to be rocking there tonight. So we're taking the over on Carson Beck's passing for 1 yard. And then we're matching that up with Jack Betch, over 76.5 receiving yards of TCU. So he's been getting well over 100 every single game. So we're taking the over there. They're at Kansas today for $10 into 31.60. So nice little 3.16 payout on that one. So take the over on that. The second free play is another free play over on PrizePicks. And that's with Caleb Williams passing for 1 yard. Take the over there and then match that up with Jackson Dart over 300.5 passing yards. And Trey Harris over 97.5 receiving yards. So nice little correlated duo there between the quarterback and the wide receiver for Ole Miss. And match that up with Caleb Williams passing for 1 yard. So nice little $5 into 25, 5x payout there. Third and final play for the free picks for today is going to be over on Dabble. If you guys are new to Dabble, go over there and get signed up with code 907 Fantasy. They're going to give you $25 of completely free money to go play with. You don't even have to enter any money or deposit any money. Just go and sign up with code 907 Fantasy, and they'll give you $25 to go and play with, and you can go play on this free play here. So this one is a nice, it would be a 35x payout. I did hedge it in case one of the players misses. Then we still get a nice little 25x payout for this 6-man. But we're doing 3 trios here. We're going Jackson Dart over 297 passing, Trey Harris over 95 receiving, and then we're going Billy Edwards Jr. of Maryland over 246 passing, and Ty Felton over 84 receiving. And then we're going, they didn't have Josh Hoover's passing yards, so we're going Josh Hoover over 2 passing touchdowns. So if he gets 2, it's a push, and it goes to a 5-man. So that's nice there. But I think he'll easily be able to get 3 with this TCU passing heavy offense. So TCU, Josh Hoover, 2 passing touchdowns, and then Jack Betch over 76 receiving yards. So nice little 6-man for 25x payout there. So go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you're going to be telling me on these. The link to all these are going to be in the description below. So Sleeper, you can get signed up, and they're going to match your deposit up to $100 for your first deposit over there with Sleeper with code 907 Fantasy. Same with Dabble. They're going to hook you up with $25 free with code 907 Fantasy. And then PrizePicks, pretty sure everybody has PrizePicks at this point, but make sure to go ahead and get on the Winible weekend pass. We have over 40 plays on there currently, and then we're going to be continually adding them to them today and tomorrow. So make sure to take advantage of that, because that is going to get you some free money, and we're going to be printing money all weekend long. So don't miss out on this weekend. We went up over 60 units last weekend. I don't want you to miss out on it, so go over there, get signed up. Use the code NEIGHBORS, and that's going to get you 70% off. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have a great day. It's a fun day for college football, and there's a lot of great games on today. So good luck with all of your plays, and let's go cash. Peace.